I've been a resident of Malindi for many, many years. I travel this road nearly every day. And it's been in appalling condition for many, 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 many years. And it puts a lot of pressure on our cars. We have to take them to the workshop to get them repaired because there's boulders, there's potholes and everything. And we look to the government to try and get this road repaired, hopefully before Christmas this year, when we are trying to attract many, many visitors from overseas into Malindi.
Imefungwa, imekaa muda mrefu kutoka miaka 5-6 hii barabara haitengezwi. Imechangia na kama nilivyosema mahoteli nyingi sana ziko upande wa ufuoni. Ndio natumia barabara kama hii. Leo naona uchumi unaondoka hapa unakwenda South Coast, uchumi unaondoka kwetu unaenda Watamu, uchumi unaondoka kwetu unaenda Bofa, Kilifi, kwa sababu barabara zao ziko fantastic. Ni sisi watu wa Malindi tuwadharauliwa kwa kweli wa maneno.
As investor, we really ask to help us to make Malindi to shine and to be bright in front of people coming from abroad, but not only from abroad, also from Kenya, because we have a lot of visitors from all over the country. We, for example, in the position where we stay, we are really affected from the dump site that is very close, and for what I can say, most of the time, the smell when they burn is really strong, and we have a lot of crow around that are disturbing because they are really many, and when you see them, you feel that you have something dirty around you, because they are not an image of clean bird.